Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities podcast. This is 𝗬𝗍𝗻𝗀𝗍 from Sharekhan, BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on crude oil. On the daily chart, crude oil has formed a head and shoulder formation as it breached the neckline form of the formation and it trades below it, implying bearish bias for the prices. Prices have been trading with a lower low formation as it moves below the previous swing lows as well. The support for crude oil should be the level of 6,600 followed by the level of 6,400, while the resistance on the higher side should be the level of 6,820. The momentum indicator RSI has a negative crossover as it moves towards the oversold zone, supporting the bearish move. Thus, any rise should be an opportunity to sell, targeting the level of 6,500 and 6,400. with a reversal above the level of 6,800. Hence, we expect crude oil to trade with a negative bias for the day ahead. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.